Hello and welcome to another edition of Science. As you know, we have been talking about space. What is space? Think about it. Not like the space we take up, like I'm taking up space here. But what's the other meaning of space? That's right. And I have something to kind of give us an example. Let me make my screen a little bigger. Okay. So I have a little model for you to kind of show you the planets in our solar system, which are in space. So we have, first of all, we have the sun. That's this big red one. And then we have Venus, Mars. We have Mercury over here. We have Jupiter. And then, see this blue one right here? That's us. That's our planet. That's planet Earth. Okay. And don't forget about Neptune over here and Uranus. So the very last one I want to talk about is Mars. See that Mars right here? It's this red one. See the red one? The little red one. There you go. That's Mars. And today we're going to be reading a book about the planet Mars. So while we read, I want us to think about one fact. That means something that we learned, something that's true that we learned from this book. Okay? So, what's our purpose for reading? One fact about the planet Mars. Okay? Here we go.
A daring young astronaut arrives on Mars, hoping he will find life there. He even brought a gift of chocolate cupcakes. Let's see if he finds anybody. Life on Mars, written by John Agee. I am on Mars. I've traveled a long way from Earth. I am here to find life. Everyone thinks I'm crazy. Nobody believes there's life on Mars. But I do. I just know that I'm going to find it. So far, Mars looks pretty gloomy. More gloomy than I thought. I'm starting to wonder, could anything possibly live here? It's dark. It's cold. I've brought this gift of chocolate cupcakes. I don't think I'll find anybody to eat them.
So, did you hear that? Mars was dark and Mars was cold. Would those be two facts? Possibly. Let's keep reading.
Wow, I was wrong. Mars is nothing but miles and miles of rocks and dirt. It's obvious nothing could possibly live here. What a disaster. Everyone was right. There is no life on Mars. I'm going home immediately. spaceship? I can't believe it. I'm lost. Lost on Mars, where there is no life. Wait a minute. What's that? No way. It's life. It's on Mars and it's alive. What an amazing discovery. I can't wait to get back to Earth and show everybody what I found. And look, my box of cupcakes. How did it get there? Now I've got to find my spaceship. I bet I'll get a good view from the top of that mountain. Aha, there it is. What an adventure. I always believed there was life on Mars, and I was right. I think I deserve a treat.
All right. So did you think about it? What is one fact that you learned about Mars? Think about it. And now I want you to share that with the person next to you. Well, today we are going to get to locate where Mars is in the solar system. Now, I showed you the one I have, but I have one that I think you're going to like because you actually get to color where Mars is. So, ta-da! Where is Mars? Look for that M. And then next, look for an A next to it. M-A. Is that an M? Is that an M? Is that an M? Yeah. Does it have an A next to it? It does. So this is Mars. Okay. And it's also known as the red planet. So with your writing tool, find the red and you're going to color Mars red because it's mostly red. And that is your assignment for today. And why is this important? This is so important to know that we've got other planets in the world. It's not just us. It's not just planet Earth, right? There's lots of other planets in our solar system. So we are not alone. We're not alone. I hope you enjoyed this. And tomorrow, this is important. You are going to need some materials. So I'm going to show you what you're going to need. And if you want to go ahead and grab those materials now, you can. You are going to need the following. You are going to need a bowl, a spoon, water, baking soda, and some sort of red coloring, and a paper towel. In-person learners, as always, I will have those materials for you. And remember, you don't have to get them right now, but if you want to go ahead and make a mental note so that before you start the lesson for tomorrow, you can go ahead and grab those things tomorrow before the lesson. Okay? And I might have a special guest with me. All right. Happy learning about space, and we will see you tomorrow for our experiment. Bye-bye.